Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make an aesthetic color mood video. So here, import your video to CapCut and then go to adjust, then follow these steps. So first, adjust the contrast into 20 and then saturations into 15, sorry, and then set the exposure into -5, sharpen 100, and then set the highlight into 15 and the shadow and temperature into 10. Okay, and now you are finished. So here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.